Let's explore some common troubleshooting techniques that can be used if PowerPoint is failing to start or becomes unresponsive. First, and as always, ensure that Office and Windows are up to date. If the issue continues, then follow these steps in order. Starting with updating the antivirus software and ensure that there isn't a conflict with PowerPoint and the antivirus software. You'll also want to ensure that another process is not using PowerPoint, or the unresponsiveness could be from something as simple as saving a large presentation. In that case, you're just going to have to be patient for a few moments. Let's pop over to our desktop and take a look at some of the other troubleshooting techniques you can use. If PowerPoint is not starting, you can start it in safe mode to remove ad insurance, as these tend to be a common source of issues. To do so, select Run and then type PowerPoint/safe, and you'll notice the spelling of PowerPoint here. It's PowerPoint. Select OK. PowerPoint has now been launched in safe mode, and you'll notice we're unable to access several of the features and functions. To remove add-ins, select File, Options, Ad Insurance. And at this point, you could go ahead and select your ad insurance and disable them. I don't have any. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to close PowerPoint. You would now go ahead, restart PowerPoint, and see if the issue has cleared up. If the issue has not cleared up, the next thing you're going to do is try to repair PowerPoint. To do so, we're going to search for programs, and we'll select Add or Remove Programs from System Settings. Select your version of Office and then Modify. I know that's counterintuitive, but when you select Modify, you'll be able to repair the Office program. And you have two options, a quick repair and an online repair. I'm going to cancel this. And finally, our last step is to change the default printer. And we do this because PowerPoint will load the default printer when starting, and sometimes changing that printer can solve the issue. As before, I'm going to go ahead and do a search. I'm going to select Change Default Printer from System Settings. You'll notice my default printer is currently a Brother printer. I'm going to change the default to Microsoft XPS Document Writer v4, select it, and then Manage and Set as Default. Now the next time you launch PowerPoint, it will use this default printer. For other helpful troubleshooting techniques, tips, and tricks, see the PowerPoint Help Center.